Mushrooms are used for medicinal purposes, offer protection against cancer as well as infectious diseases. Ancient peoples from China, Egypt, Greece, Mexico, and Rome all used these mushrooms for their medicinal properties. A purgative birch polypore fungus dating back 5,300 years was discovered inside of a mummy in 1991. This fungus may have been used as a treatment for intestinal parasites. Mushrooms used for medicinal purposes are an abundant source of a wide variety of nutrients and bioactive compounds, both of which are beneficial to the immune system. Find out about medicinal mushrooms, the health benefits they offer, and which mushrooms are the most effective at boosting the immune system. What are medicinal mushrooms? Fungi can be eaten and used medicinally are called medicinal mushrooms. Because of their beneficial properties, they are put to use. Fungi consume dead or decaying matter, which can come from the surrounding soil, plants, animals, or even other types of fungi. This category includes fungi such as yeasts, molds, and mushrooms. There are between 14,000 and 22,000 different species of mushrooms in the world. 30 are edible cultivars, while the remaining 29 are wild species. Dietary supplements, or functional foods, more accurately describe these mushrooms. Mushrooms contain a wide variety of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, protein, selenium, potassium, and vitamins B1, B2, B12, C, D, and E. Bioactive substances such as alkaloids, flavonoids, terpenes, phenolic compounds, polyunsaturated fatty acids, and polysaccharides are found in them. These are just some of the substances that they contain. Specifically, the immune-boosting and probiotic qualities of beta-glucan, which is a polysaccharide that can frequently be found in mushrooms. Here is a list of 8 mushrooms that act as turbo shots for your immune system. 8. Turkey tail, Coriolus versicolor. The tan and brown rings that are found on the surface of the turkey tail mushroom are the source of its name. These rings have been likened to the feathers that are found on a turkey's tail. Turkey tail has been used as a treatment for fungal infections, cancer, and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome in the practice of traditional Chinese medicine. Coriolus versicolor has been shown to have an anti-tumor and anti-metastasis effect in recent studies conducted on animal models of breast cancer. This suggests that it may lessen the likelihood of an individual developing additional cancerous growths in their body. In Japan, the complementary cancer treatment polysaccharide K, which is derived from turkey tail in a proprietary formulation, has been given the green light. Patients with gastric cancer who underwent resection were found to have a higher chance of survival when PSK was administered in conjunction with chemotherapy, according to the findings of a meta-analysis that was carried out in 2007 by the Graduate School of Medicine at Kyoto University in Japan on more than 8,000 patients. 7. Shiitake, Lentinula edodes. Shiitake mushrooms have a history of being used medicinally to treat a variety of conditions, including the common cold. According to the findings of a clinical test that lasted 4 weeks, consumption of shiitake mushrooms was associated with favorable changes in the secretion patterns of a variety of immune compounds. These changes might point to an improvement in gut immunity and an anti-inflammatory response on the body's part. There is some evidence that shiitake mushrooms, like many other types of mushrooms, may inhibit cancer. Lentinula is a glucan that is derived from shiitake mushrooms. It is currently being used as a complementary treatment for tumors, particularly in China and Japan. 6. Reishi, Ganoderma lingzi. It is not uncommon to hear people refer to reishi as the king of mushrooms, or the mushroom of immortality. It has been demonstrated to prevent and treat a variety of diseases as well as modulate the inflammation that is associated with consuming a diet high in cholesterol. Because the polysaccharides found in reishi demonstrate prebiotic effects and may increase counts of beneficial bacteria in the host. The beneficial health effects of this mushroom may be a result of its ability to regulate the composition of the microbiota. This may be the case because reishi contains polysaccharides. However, what sets this mushroom apart from others is its sedative qualities, which are all made possible by the presence of the compound triterpene, which reishi possesses in significant quantities. According to research conducted on mice, these compounds that improve mood may make it easier to relax, lessen the symptoms of depression, and promote better sleep. However, the beneficial effect that triterpenes have on the nervous system does not end there. The use of reishi can not only hasten the healing process, but also improve concentration. 5. Oyster, Pleurotus. Oyster mushrooms belong to the genus Pleurotus, which contains a number of different mushroom species, including Pleurotus ostratus and Pleurotus florida. According to findings from studies conducted in vitro, the polysaccharides found in P. ostratus mushrooms have the potential to activate NK cells, which then go on to fight lung and breast cancer cells. Additionally, it was demonstrated in animal models that an extract of P. florida, which contains a number of active components such as phenolic, flavonoids, and polysaccharides, have anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. The antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other vital nutrients found in oyster mushrooms are found in relatively high concentrations in these mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms have been linked to a reduction in high blood pressure, a lowering of cholesterol levels, a reduction in blood sugar levels, an improvement in cardio-metabolic health, and benefits that are supportive of the immune system. 4. Maitake, Grifola frondosa. The medicinal and edible maitake mushroom was found to inhibit the growth of breast cancer in animal studies. The medicinal and edible maitake mushroom was found to inhibit the growth of breast cancer, melanoma, and hepatoma cells, indicating that it possesses anti-cancer properties. There is some evidence that the immune-boosting properties of maitake can be attributed to a component of the mushroom known as proteoglucan. It has been demonstrated that proteoglucan can reduce the behavior of mammary tumor cells in mouse models. In addition, antiviral activity against hepatitis B and human immunodeficiency virus has been demonstrated in both in vitro and animal studies to be exerted by polysaccharides that are present in maitake. These studies were carried out using maitake. 3. Lion's mane, Hericium erinaceus. Because of its white, furry appearance, the Hericium erinaceus mushroom is commonly referred to as lion's mane mushroom. In cases of inflammatory bowel disease, lion's mane has been shown to be associated with less colon tissue damage and may promote the growth of beneficial gut microbiota, according to studies conducted on animal models. Although the researchers believe that lion's mane may assist in immune system regulation and improve the overall health of people with IBD, further research in the form of human clinical trials is required to confirm these hypotheses. 2. Cordyceps, Ophiocordyceps sinensis. The powerful medicinal mushroom cordyceps, formerly known as Cordyceps sinensis and also known as the caterpillar fungus, has long been recognized in Tibet and Chinese medical texts. Caterpillars and fungi are a rare combination in this plant. Although not technically a mushroom, Cordyceps is a rare caterpillar fungus that only flourishes in Sikkim, a state in northeast India where it grows in high altitudes. Polysaccharides, cordycepin, and cordycepic acid are among the bioactive elements in cordyceps. An 8-week study in healthy Korean subjects discovered a link between supplementing with cordyceps extract and higher levels of natural killer immune cell activity. In comparison to controls, this change was accompanied by improved immune control. This mushroom may have a variety of health benefits for humans, such as boosting the immune system, having an anti-tumor effect, boosting energy, being anti-inflammatory, having a hypoglycemic effect, being anti-aging, being neuroprotective, being anti-stress, etc. 1. Chaga, Inotus obliquus. The chaga mushroom, also known as the mushroom of immortality, is the most nutritious wild mushroom, and it has a long history of use in traditional medicine as a treatment for a variety of conditions. It is a fungus that is dark brown and almost black in color, and typically grows on birch trees. Chaga is a particularly potent antioxidant that provides you with a significant quantity of antioxidants, SOD enzymes, essential amino acids, minerals, and other important substances. Chaga contains a number of different compounds, some of which may be responsible for its beneficial effects. These compounds include polyphenols, which are known to have antioxidant properties, as well as betulin and betulinic acid, which have been linked to having anti-cancer effects. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notifications before leaving. Thank you for watching us.